If you're looking for an easy way to manage your inventory with JungleScout's product tracker, then you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to use this powerful tool for keeping tabs on your products and inventory so you can stay organized and efficient in your e-commerce journey. And the best part, you can use JungleScout's product tracker completely free with exclusive bonuses when you check out the first link below. Now, if you're new to JungleScout, let's quickly go over what it is. JungleScout is a well-known tool used by Amazon sellers to find profitable products, track their competition, and optimize their e-commerce businesses. The product tracker feature helps you track specific products, monitor their sales performance, and analyze trends to make better inventory decisions. First things first, once you're logged into JungleScout, head over to the product tracker tab in the top menu. From there, you can start adding the products you want to monitor. You can either search for products using keywords or manually input the ASINs of the products you want to track. This is an efficient way to keep an eye on products that are either in your inventory or ones you're considering adding to your catalog. Once you've added a product, the software will start pulling valuable data. You'll see real-time sales data, including how many units are selling, the product's price, and its ranking. This information will give you a clear picture of how your competitors' products are performing, which helps you make informed decisions about your inventory levels. Whether you're scaling or trying to optimize, having access to this data is crucial for maintaining a profitable business. One feature that really sets JungleScout's product tracker apart is its ability to show historical sales data. You can track sales over weeks or months to identify seasonal trends and patterns. This gives you the insight to order stock at the right time, so you're not caught off guard by a sudden surge in demand. You can also use this data to gauge whether a product is experiencing consistent growth or if it's just a one-off spike. The product tracker also lets you set up alerts for specific product performance metrics. For example, if you're worried about stockouts, you can set alerts to notify you when inventory levels are getting low. Or, if you want to monitor any significant changes in price or sales rank, you can set those alerts as well. These alerts help you stay on top of your products without having to constantly check the tracker. But here's a cool tip. The product tracker allows you to group products into lists. This makes it easier to manage multiple products, whether you're tracking different categories or separate brands. You can add filters to view just the products that matter most to you, so you're not overwhelmed with data. Another helpful feature is the ability to download your data. You can export sales data into a CSV file, so you can analyze the trends offline or integrate it with other reporting tools you might use for your business. This makes it easier to track performance over time and incorporate the data into broader business strategies. Now, if you're thinking of scaling your Amazon business, using the product tracker will give you a competitive edge. By keeping a close eye on your inventory levels, sales trends, and competitor data, you'll be able to make faster, more accurate decisions, preventing stockouts and overstocking. Remember, JungleScout's product tracker is a game changer for managing your inventory effectively. You can start using it completely free through the link below, and as a bonus, you'll get extended access to the software. So, if you want to stay ahead in the e-commerce game and optimize your inventory management, don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the first link for your exclusive bonus and free trial.